We have the question, Natalie did 1/3 of her homework on Saturday and 1/5 more of her homework on Sunday. What is the ratio of the amount of homework she has completed to the amount of homework she has not completed? So she did 1/3 of her homework on Saturday. 1/3 has been done. And then she did 1/5 more on Sunday. So if we add these two amounts together, that'll tell us how much of her homework she's completed altogether. So in order to add these, we need to get common denominators. Right now, the denominators are different. They're 3 and 5. So we need to get those to be the same. And in order to do that, we'll have to multiply each fraction by something. First, let's figure out what the common denominator should be. We can go ahead and list multiples of each denominator and see where we have one in common. The first one that we have in common will be our least common denominator, and that's what we want to go with. So we have 15. So 15 is going to be our least common denominator, and the denominator we change both of these denominators to. And so we'll go ahead and we'll change the 1/3. And so 3 times what will give us 15? The answer to that is 5. So we'll multiply this by 5 over 5. And then 1/5. So 5 times what will give us 15? And the answer to that is 3. So we'll multiply by 3 over 3. And so listing these multiples here tells us that, okay, once we have a number that matches, both of these numbers will go into that number. So we'll be able to change both of these denominators to something that's the same. That was the point of doing that. So now, we'll go ahead and we'll get our common denominators. So we have 5/15 now and 3/15. So now we can add this. So Natalie has completed 8/15 of her homework. So if she's completed 8/15, we know 15/15 is a whole. And it looks like this, right? And we know it's equal to 1. So if she's completed 8/15, we can subtract what she's completed. It should be 8/15 to figure out what she hasn't completed. And so 7/15 is what she has not completed. Completed, not completed. And so now we're figuring out this ratio, the amount of homework she has completed. So that'll come first, to the amount of homework she has not completed. So that'll come second. And so you can have 8/15 to 7/15. But since the denominators are the same, we can disregard those, and it would be an 8 to 7 ratio, which is why C is our answer.